This problem, we want to simplify this rational expression. So we got x squared minus 3x minus 28 all over 3x squared minus 22x plus 7. Now our first step is to factor the top, factor the bottom in simplifying. Top part's PSD, bottom part's key number. Why is it PSD? Well, we got x squared, no number in front of x squared. Why is this one the key number? We got x squared, no x, there's a number in front of x squared. Let's take a look at the first one. X squared minus 3x minus 28. With PSD, we take our number at the end, ignoring signs, so we got 28. And we come up with our three columns. I'm going to write down all products, give me 28. We got 1 times 28, 2 times 14, 3 no, 4 times 7, 5 no, 6 no. Those are P for product. S for sum. We add them together. 1 plus 28 is 29. 2 plus 14 is 16. 4 plus 7 is 11. D for difference. We subtract smaller from larger. 28 minus 1 is 27. 14 minus 2 is 12. 7 minus 4 is 3. Number we're looking for is a number in our middle term, which is a 3, which is right here, which means we use 4 and 7. So got x there, 4, x, and 7. Okay. Our larger number in the P column that we're using, which is a 7, will always be the same sign as the middle term, which in this problem is negative. Excuse me. Number with circles in the difference column, D for different signs. Means one will be positive, one will be negative. If the 7's negative, then the 4 has to be positive. So top part factors as x plus 4 times x minus 7. Now the bottom one, we got 3x squared minus 22x plus 7. The key number, we take the number at the beginning times the number at the end, ignoring signs. So we got 3 times 7. And that gives us 21. And we'll come up with our three columns again. P for product. Write down all products give us 21. We got 1 times 21, 3 times 7. The S column, we want to add them together. 1 plus 21 is 22. 3 plus 7 is 10. D for difference. We want to subtract smaller from larger. 21 minus 1 is 20. 7 minus 3 is 4. Now, the number we're looking for is a number in our middle term, which is 22, which is right here. So we're going to use 1 and 21. And we're going to use it a little bit differently than the PSD method. With the key number, we rewrite our middle term using those two numbers. Now, our notes on our sign still holds true. A larger number in the P column, which is the 21, will always be the same sign as the middle term, which is negative. So we got negative 21x. The number I circled in the S column. S for same signs, both positive or both negative. Since 21 is negative, then the 1 has to be negative. Then I'm going to factor by grouping. Group first two terms together, group last two terms together. First two terms have a 3 and an x in common. Factor that out, and that gives me x minus 7. Now last two terms don't have anything in common, but my first term's negative. So we'll factor out a negative 1. And that gives us x minus 7. Remember, our goal with grouping is to get this parentheses same as that, which it is. So I'll factor out an x minus 7 out in front. Now to decide what goes in your second set of parentheses, you can now cross out these x minus 7s. And what isn't crossed out is what goes right here, which would be 3x minus 1. So bottom part factors as x minus 7 times 3x minus 1. Step 2, cancel if possible. Well, see how they both have an x minus 7? Those are going to cancel. And our answer will be x plus 4 over 3x minus 1.